Today, we're going to take a closer look at one of Dormco's most popular and essential products for college dorming. The ultra-long cell phone power cord. Alright, we got this funny looking rope from our roommate's drawer. We're going to play some pranks on Patrick. Yeah. Alright, so we made a pretty intricate contraption here, as you can see. We're going to scare Patrick. This is basically the bait. Should be pretty easy. Joel, you good? Okay. Hey! Hey! Hello?
Ooh, got it.
Ah!
Not again!
Where's Phil's charger?
Ah! I don't know!
Wrong answer.
What the heck is going on in here?
I'm trying to find your phone charger.
I didn't take it.
Oh, it's actually, you're holding it.
Phil, this isn't a phone charger. This is like 10 feet long, dude.
Yeah, why don't you check the ends? I've been looking for that all day.
Huh. I would charge your phone.
Yeah.
Is yours?
Yes.
Oh, sorry about that, man. Pat, it's all a misunderstanding. It's fine. Go ahead. We're sorry. Hey, we'll see you in class. Good luck on your test.
What was that about?
Oh,
Yeah, you gotta see the stuff we've been doing.
check it out.
Yeah?